Advantech's Industrial USB-C Touch Monitor Series eliminates cable clutter through advanced single cable technology. The all-in-one USB Type-C connection manages integration through one cable, while HDMI and DisplayPort provide additional flexibility. With up to 60 watts of power input, wiring risks are reduced while the display runs efficiently. Its panel-mounted design allows installation on cabinets, with a reliable lockable mechanism ensuring firm, stable connections in compact industrial spaces. Built for rugged environments, the series features IP67 front protection, high glove touch sensitivity, and brightness options of 450 or 1200 nits, with a negative 20 to 70 degrees Celsius wide operating temperature range support. It also incorporates a bezel-less Full HD touch display with wide viewing angles, making it suitable for medical systems, self-service kiosks, outdoor applications, and compact industrial settings that require a clean, space-efficient design. Experience Advantech Industrial USB-C Touch Monitors. Take your industrial displays to the next level.